What if I told you that 6 months are enough to crack JEE? Sounds impossible, right? Every year, thousands of students ask this exact question. Some people say it impossible, while others believe it enough to achieve a great score with the right strategy. I personally scored 99.55 percentile in JEE main, and in this video, I will share the practical approach that I believe can help you make the most of the next 6 months. We will cover क्या तुम्हें पढ़ना है, क्या avoid करना है, and how to stay consistent so you can maximize your scores. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to be honest with yourself. Ask yourself simple 3 questions. How strong are my basics? कौन subject मेरा सबसे weak है? And how many hours can I study every day? If you are starting from zero, don't expect miracles overnight, but if you are willing to stay consistent, improving your percentile dramatically, it's absolutely possible. Remember, JEE isn't won by a student who study the most, it won by the student who study the smartest. One mistake that many students make to trying to study everything at the same time. Don't do that. Instead, keep your preparation simple. अभी शुरुआत में focus on building your concept. Complete NCERT properly, especially for chemistry. And make sure you really understand the basics of physics and maths instead of just memorizing formulas. But don't do a mistake कि तुम सिर्फ lecture देख रहे हो. I know watching lectures feels productive, but watching lecture is not studying. Real learning begins after the lecture. And here what you should do after the every lecture: revise your notes within 24 hours. सारे important formula highlight करो, write short note, then solve question related to that chapter. If you only watch videos without revision and practice, you will forget everything within few days. Revision is the key to a long-term memory. Without revision, preparation becomes useless. Once your basics are clear, increase your question practice. Start solving chapter test, mixed question sets, and the previous year paper with a timer. This will improve both your speed and accuracy. And whenever you make a mistake, write it down in an error notebook. Trust me, revising your mistake every week will help you much more than solving random new questions. Finally, stop comparing yourself with other students. Everyone starts from a different level. The only comparison that matters is whether you are better than you were yesterday. Remember this: 6 months may seem like a short time, but it's more than enough to change your future if you use every single day wisely. Don't wait for the perfect plan or the perfect motivation. Start what you have, stay consistent, and trust the process. One focus day may not change your life, but 6 months of focus days definitely will. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you clarity and motivation. Keep believing in yourself, keep working hard, and I will see you in the next one.